Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Monday, November the 26th, 2012, and here is today's midday market update brought to you by wallstreettrading.com. I want to first start by saying I hope you guys had a happy holidays, spent it with your family and friends and your close ones, your loved ones, all the other good stuff. Now it's time to get back into the markets and start making some money here. And so far today has been pretty well for us here at mywallstreettv.com, which is our chat room. If you have not been to our chat room yet, you can get access to our chat room via the form on the right-hand side of our website. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the markets to see what the markets are doing. First of all, the Dow Jones is down 86.5. The comp is down 3.25. The Russell's down 2.5. The S&P is down 8. Take a look at the ETFs. The SPY is down 78 cents. IWM is down 4 cents. Triple Qs are flat, down 3 cents. DIA is down 84 cents. Taking a look at a couple key sectors here, the XOI, the oil index, is down $13.84. The banking index is down 46 cents. The banks were pretty weak this morning. The weakest one being JP Morgan. Volatility, the VIX is up 63 cents. JJC Copper is flat, up 3 cents. SLV flat, down 3 cents. I really like how the precious metals are holding up today. UUP, the dollar's a little bit, dollar's pretty much flat, but a little bit in the dollar a bit today. Euro's a little bit weak. Let's go ahead and talk about the markets now. Though starting off with the ES on the 15-minute chart. Here you guys can see here we were trading in a range here from Friday's action. All right, this was a key level. This is a 15-minute chart, by the way. This is a key level on the ES was 1402. You can see going to the close on Friday, they broke it back over 1402. And then Sunday night at 6 o'clock, we gapped down when the futures opened up. Overnight, 1402 held its resistance. So we were watching that level here, and we had this level highlighted here during this morning before we went into the trading session. We had that level highlighted to watch for our range. We identified our range to be 1402 and 1398. So what happened? When we opened up, we were in the middle of the range. So we were not really looking to do anything. All right, waiting for the market to see for it to show its hand. You can see it rallied up here. And they shorted it right at the top of the range, which makes sense. Took it back to the bottom of the range. Little shakeout action right here. And now if we can hold above 1398, this could be a little short trap with people getting trapped to the short side. And now we can make a move maybe back up towards the top of the range again, towards 1402. Take a look at our 5-minute chart here. You can see on the closing price system, all right, we were basically getting consecutive closes lower, causing that downtrend, even though it was really just a drift lower. I mean, looking over the Twitter stream and looking over here and talking with a couple of my friends that I trade with and everybody in the room, there's not much going on. I mean, you do have Facebook. We caught the Facebook for a nice little 80-cent gain, and it's still trading higher. It's on the highs right now. So there is some stocks to play, but in general, a lot of stocks are, trading like people are still, at their table eating turkey or something on vacation. In any case, levels to watch going forward on the ES here, 1395, which is the low of the day. If we can hold above 1397.5 or so, that would be pretty good. The opening price is back here. If we need to get back above 1400, resistance 1401, 1402. I'm not really expecting much today. At the same time, we have Ben Bernanke. Oh, no, he speaks tomorrow. We have, what else we got going on here? We have that news out of Greece where there's a possible deal out of Greece today maybe. So I think that's probably why the market's trading kind of slow, because maybe they're expecting something to happen within the next couple of days or so. All right. Possibly even today before the close. Who knows? Just trade them safe. So let's go and take a look at some stocks that we traded today here in the chat room and some stocks that we were watching. Obviously, all the stocks we were watching, we can't trade them all at once, so we just try to focus on the main ones that are set up. And the main one that we had set up today for us so far was Facebook. Facebook showed a lot of strength this morning pre-market. You can see here this red line is previous day's high, so you can see what happened pre-market. It was basically kind of consolidating here between 2480 and that pre-market high, rallied up, back checked that range that it was trading in pre-market right there on the open, then off to the races it went. We got long at 2511 over pre-market high, and we sold it at 2575. Some people in the chat room were still long up to 26. Either way, it's a good trade. You can't catch it all, and I think this is probably the trade that most people caught this morning, and now they're just sitting on their hands. This was a nice little clean pattern. And if it breaks out over 26, the next level to watch is 2686. If it makes a move back down to the downside, you want to be watching that 2550 area. SRPT, another stock that was in play this morning. Not sure what the news was. I didn't really read much into the news. I just know the stock's been in play for the past couple of days, back in play here. And this stock took off once it took out the high over 30.20 and ran like a nice $1.20 right there. So that's another nice move in stock. Maybe this stock holding above 31 could take it back up towards 31.44, which would be pretty good. SDRL came out with bad earnings. Came out with they increased their dividend by a penny, which is nothing. And this one we were looking for a fade at 39.05. Me and my partner, we actually had some orders to short this SDRL at 39.05 on the morning. But since it took so long to get there, we actually canceled it. Then look what it did, hit it, and then rolled over, close to what 28 cents or so there. Then shot right back up. No trade in there. I really wouldn't be watching it because it moves like a turtle. And Deckers is in play. They had some positive comments coming out from the analysts regarding the takeover or regarding the bid that the possible buyout on the stock. The stock has not been able to catch a bid this morning yet, though, and it's been fading the whole time. Key level to watch in this stock is 35. If it can get above 35 and hold, we'll be looking for the stock to trade back possibly up towards 35.79. Aside from that, banks are weak. Couple movers and shakers here and there. Low volume. Try not to do too much. Have a great afternoon. I'll catch you guys today for the After the Bell market summary. Have a great day. If you want to get access to our chat room, go to wallstreettrading.com. Fill out the form on the right-hand side for the 14-day free trial. Don't worry, it's not a service-based room, and you will have more than 14 days. So go check it out. Have a great one.